And I removed the bottom bracket. This bottom bracket is an English thread. The cranks that I'm going to put on is a SRAM rival. The type is like a GXP. So you have to make sure the bottom bracket itself is also a GXP. I don't know if you can see that, but this one says GXP on it also. This is a used but barely used one. I tried to put this on, screw it on. It went on partially. Some of the threads were a little bit damaged. So I went to the bike store. They have a tracer that retrace these threads in this using an English thread, and they're able to clear it out nicely because there was just some bits of aluminum from the previous bottom bracket that were still in there. So he was able to use his tool to clear it up there, and that cost about $25. Some places charge a little bit higher, $30, $35 to do that. But that was important to do. One of the things that you've got to note is that there's a drive side, this is the drive side. So this bottom bracket has to go right over here. And this is the non-drive side over here. And this bearing here has to go over here, because the diameter here is different sizes. This is smaller right over here compared to this side right here, which is a little bit larger here. The bottom bracket will tell you, it's written drive side. Also it says drive side here. It's hard to see, but it says drive side over here. And you should test it out. Even if it's not written, test it out. Make sure it fits properly. Notice the non-drive side, it doesn't even fit. It doesn't even get past this right here. Grease this, the inside here. The direction that you tighten this, not clockwise like any other threaded bolt. You would think this is the correct way because you're pedaling in this direction and it'll tighten it up. But it actually will loosen if the thread is going this way. So this is a reverse thread, and so the threads are going this way, so you have to turn it in a counterclockwise to tighten this. I know it's not intuitive, but that's the way it is. You should be able to hand tighten this like this, put it on, and then we'll get the wrench to tighten it. We turn the bike around and we're on the non-drive side. Again, we get some grease. Direction on this side is your standard clockwise to tighten this up. And you should be able to hand tighten this. Now we got this wrench that goes into the splines like this. Turn the bike around. Again, put a little bit of grease here. We're going to put the crank on now. Make sure you bring this chain behind the axle there. Okay, put a little grease here. This GXP has this cap on this non-drive side. Wipe off the excess grease. I'm going to put the non-drive side crank on. And this one, there's like a bolt with threads on it. Put some grease in here. And then you get a hex wrench. And we tighten it up. Now we're just gonna put the chain onto the sprockets here.